Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this puzzle table. Now this is a really neat table. Because it folds down completely, you can store it if you're not using it. It comes with a nice cover, so if you've got pets, that way your puzzle pieces won't get all moved around. A nice felt top, and this actually can get lifted up and moved to many different angles. You can have it right here, you can go to the next one, or the layer up. So you can actually tilt this at different levels based on however you want to have it. So that part is also really nice. Then the great part is it's actually a table. Underneath here, you have your little legs that you can easily fold out to be between 15 to 22 inches high. So if you just wanted to sit on the floor, do a little puzzle, said you can recline this up and have it up there. Easily adjust them on the sides here to be able to move the side and pull this out. And have a higher table so you can then sit at a sofa if you wanted to sit at the sofa and do it. Super easy to assemble all of that. Then they also come with little drawers to be able to use. Let me get all this set up and then we will get the drawers out. So we've got 4 drawers in here that all pull out, and you've got little knobs that they come with. So we can easily just add the little knobs on each one of the drawers to make them easy to pull in and out. And that way you can store your puzzle pieces in there. So I've got the drawers over here. They easily slide out. It's nice to be able to put different puzzle pieces in there, keep it all separated, and not have it all over. So that part is really nice. I do like how they've got the little knobs. And you've got 2 drawers on each side, so you've got 4 different. And they actually give you these extra little containers that are just little leather areas here that you can just snap these all together. And now you've got a whole separate area that you can put other puzzle pieces in that maybe you haven't sorted or whatever you're wanting to do. They give you 2 of those, which is really nice. Now, this is gonna be so nice to be able to do any sort of puzzle because you could just sit here, elevate it up however you wanna have it. Like I said, you just lift it right here and put it at angles. Now I can sit here without having to look all around, get my puzzle pieces set on here. They're not sliding all around. So this is great that I could just sit on the couch, sit on the floor, not have to worry about where my puzzle pieces are because I've got the nice drawers. Lift this up however high I want to have it, collapse it back down. It's a great puzzle board table that'll hold up to a 1,500 piece puzzle. Nice and big. It's about 26 by 36 in the size. They're used for a variety of different puzzles.